As you can see, I got an amazing gift.
Drinks on him.
Hi kings and queens, this is Azra and I am back with another video. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me featuring Mielle Organics rice water collection. So I'm just gonna definitely show you guys what I got, what the new collection looks like in the box. Oh, it's so pretty. The new release of the rice water collection, and it gains strength and retains length. So in here I have my lovely pamphlet, clay moisture mask. You can use this on your hair and your skin. This is the moisturizing milk. We have Shine Mist. This is for daily use. Split end therapy. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy using this. If you don't know much about rice water is very beneficial to your hair. Moisture, it adds moisture and shine, and also helps you maintain length. I definitely use rice water before shampooing and conditioning my hair for my regular wash routines. But being that Mielle Organics has a new rice water collection line, I definitely wanted to try it and actually get ready with you guys. Before we dive right in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to give amazing feedback. This is actually the results of my hair. I have crazy definition. Look at it. I have crazy definition in my hair. What works for me is I worked all the products through my hair when they were wet. Once I did my clay mask and I rinsed it out, I worked all the products through my hair, and then I styled it in my 2-strand twist. It actually and put on my bonnet with the sleep. It actually came out awesome. My favorite products from the line will be the moisturizing milk and the split end therapy. It went great with each other. I styled these products with my hair completely wet. I have high porosity hair, so usually it dries very fast. So I try to grab and usually gather myself together when my hair is soaking wet so that I can have a defined style. And this is defined to the T. Defined, and it don't do defined don't even have a T. Definite has a T. Defined don't even have a T. Defined to the D. No. Defined to the E. Let's say that. The definition is insane. When I tell you, and this is only a 1-day twist out, I let it dry and took it out the next day. The definition is insane, I tell you. It's insane. Look, beyond insane. But who doesn't love definition? I do. I love definition. With the split end therapy, you can actually do it as a treatment before you wash your hair. But I did it as my hair was wet. I did it with the style. So you can do either or. I styled my hair. I washed and shampooed my hair, put the milk in it, and then I put my split end therapy in it at the ends of my hair. Overall, the products are great. I like the smell of the collection, and I love that the clay mask, you can use it for your hair and also for your skin. So it's just beneficial for the entire body. That's all I'm saying. Please comment below if you guys have tried the products. If anybody else tried the products, let me know what you think. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next video, later.